works. Glue this so I can put this piece right here. Now I broke this trying to take it off. I don't know what socket size it is, but it doesn't fit. None of the sockets fit for this. So now I'm going to glue this together. There it is right there at the tip. Go here. It's just like a gel. Go around nice and slow. Yeah. That's it. Alright. That part's done. So let it get built up in there. Take a while for it to curl up. Give it a few seconds. I take up the excess. Right here. There you go. Make that off. Now I'll put this on it. Here we go. This felt just right on top. Then with a light tap, just work it in there. That's it. Just let it dry up now. Trying to take this off, and the glass came off, and the cross section I took some pliers, and now needle nose tip pliers, trying to see if I can screw it there. It didn't work. It broke it off. This thing is a different size. It's not, as you can see, tried all the sockets. I got a bunch of sockets here. I had a 20 millimeter, I had a 21 millimeter. I did it with a 21 millimeter again. 7/8. That's too big. 24 millimeter. 22 millimeter didn't work. 3/4. And a 15/16 millimeter socket also. So that didn't work. A 13/16 socket didn't work neither. But I had all the sockets needed to get this thing off, and none of them fit. None of them fit. So let that dry and go from there and see what happens next. Alright. And I don't know if you can see right there. That's the data plate for it. And that's the part, gasket cover, right here. Took it off. Cleaned up all in there. It was all caked up for many years. So now I cleaned it all up with this and brake cleaner. Alright, be back for more.